when you get a free project, you just put some love into it and make it something good, okay? So we'll just have to follow along and see what I do to it. I'll give you a quick little look around the whole thing so you can see a little better what it looks like. This is my existing machine, the CNC, my little one. And there's my jig that I use to cut the screens on and everything, and vacuum system and all that. So the guitar, that jig for the guitar, that mold fixture for the guitar will be coming off and going over here, along with all this. And that'll be going on this machine now. This one here's got a little more bulk to it. It's got a lot bigger screws, you know, like the screws that make it go. See that shaft? Look at that. Yeah, 1/4 inch. Ain't much there. This here's a lot beefier, 12 millimeter. It's got them up here on the top too, same way, the big one's on it. And on the Z-axis, got a big fat one in there on it too. So yeah, it's gotta have some work. It's gonna need a little bit to get it all ready to go and tuned up, but I don't see anything I can't make work. And the control board works, it does move. It comes on, but like I said, it runs on Windows XP right now, so Lordy mercy, you can't update nothing. Anyway, that's what it is. It's got wheels, nice little stand. It was built from Joe's CNC plan, 2006, and I'm gonna try to just update it and bring it back to life, dudes. That's the plan. So let's see what happens. See if we can get her moving and doing what she needs to do and make a guitar out of it. Let's go. Okay, I have it running, and we're doing some test runs. Just doing a little beveling on the top here right quick. Just seeing what it does and testing it. I'm gonna crank it on up, put some more power in it in a minute, see what it does. But right now, holding up pretty good. The rails are working good here. These are working. Ball screws are working. Yeah, the belt drives under here is working like it's supposed to. So, yeah, I think we're gonna live with it. Let's see what it does. Keep on cutting. The homemade CNC rebuild. Okay, son, we did a little rebuild. Everything's what we needed, and it's got new features all over. Yep. Man, just looking at it. That's 199 inches per minute. And that's the surface and right there. That's the first run start. Let's do it. Here we go. Okay. The surface in the table. And on the 22 wide and 40 long. And it's all flattening out really nice. And as you can see, it's got a real nice texture. No ridges, just perfect. I got all my inserts in ready to put my jigs in from the guitar. So yeah, I'm getting a little dust on the rails. It's not bad. And this is the first voice. Just letting her run and do her thing. So yeah. My CNC went from being that pile on the grill over there to being that and doing what it's doing right now. And that's at 200 inches per minute. Surface in the table. So not bad. Moving pretty quick. That'll be good. Okay, done.